Unit 3, Day 2 homework assignment tutorial. For the first few, they want you to classify the angle pairs. So for angle 3 and angle 5, the transversal would be line C because they tie 5 and 3 together. Since both 3 and 5 are between A and B, they are interior angles. And since they are on the opposite sides of C, they're alternate interior. So that would be choice A. For number 3, 6, and 8 are vertical angles because they're bow tie and they share a vertex. So that's a D. Number 5, angle 10 and angle 11 are adjacent and they form a line. So they're a linear pair. So F. And number 7, angle 2 and angle 5. The transversal would be line C. Both 5 and 2 are between lines A and B, so they're interior angles. They're interior angles, but on the same side, so that means they're consecutive, which is E. For number 8, I'll do half of them. They tell you that angle 2 is 97 degrees and angle 6 is 61 degrees. The first thing I would do is go through the picture and label all those congruent to angle 2 and all those congruent to angle 6. So here's angle 2. Angle 2 is congruent with 3, which is congruent with 10, which is congruent with 11. Do a similar thing with angle 6. For angle 6, 7 is congruent, 14 is congruent, as well as 15. So that would help out answer our questions pretty quickly. So if I'm looking for the measure of angle 3, it's congruent with angle 2, so that means it's 97 as well. Angle 10 is also congruent with angle 2, so it's 97. Angle 9 is not on the congruent path, but that means it is supplementary, so it should add up to 180. So 180 minus 97 would be angle 9, and that would give us 83. And you would just continue the rest of them just like that. For number 9, there's 4 problems in number 9, so I'll just do 2 of them. Again, this is just a tutorial to help you along the way. All right. So the first problem on number 9 says that angle 4, which is here, is 77 degrees. And then they talk about angle 8. Well, angle 8 and angle 4 are corresponding. Since they're corresponding, they're congruent. So that means 4x plus 57 should equal 77. Okay, let's change screens real quick. So with that being said, if I subtract 57 on both sides, I would have 4x equals 20, and then divide both sides by 4, and then x equals 5. So that was our task on that problem, to find x, and we found it. So we're done. Okay. On the second to last one, they tell us that angle 1 is 6x minus 5. Angle 7 is 115. Those two are alternate exterior, meaning they're congruent as well. So 6x minus 5 should equal 115. So again, let's switch screens so we have more space. So to solve for x, I would first add 5 to both sides. And that would give me 6x equals 120. Then divide both sides by 6. So that means x would equal 20. And this concludes your tutorial.